guys, welcome back. In case you guys don't know who I am, I'm Makeup by Geriliz. You can call me Jerry. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified when I do new videos. So today I am bringing you the Boxycharm unboxing. So I haven't done one of these in a while, so I decided to do one to show you guys what I got for October, because I really liked what I got in October and I can use it. So I usually don't do all of them because I wanted to show you guys the products and use them, so it's more of a to-do unboxing. So this Boxycharm subscription is the base box. It's $25 a month and it comes with 5 full-size products. So let's go ahead and get started. So it comes with a postcard, and this one is called Spellbound. The first product I got is the Tarte C Wink H2O eye cream. This eye cream is for, it says it's an espresso shot for your under eyes, a vegan skin loving eye cream that reduces the appearance of puffiness and dark circles for a refreshed, youthful look. This is retail value $35. So I will not be using it because it has tocopheroacetate and I don't want to get an allergic reaction. It also has caffeine. Sometimes caffeine tends to give me little bumps. So I'm gonna save it probably for a giveaway because I know somebody else will probably get better use than me off of it. So let's show the next product. So the next product is the Tres Luce Beauty. It's a 4-piece brush set. So I believe it's a collaboration with Becky G. Maybe it says it on here. It doesn't say, but I'll look it up for you guys. So it's 4 brushes and they're like a nice blue color and it's like a matte finish, and you get 2 blending brushes, you get a pencil brush, it's like a tight, more of a precise brush, and you get, I can't talk right now, the slanted brush. So this is easy for when you're trying to do the crease, like to get it really precise. This is usually not my favorite brush. I usually like to use just a regular blending brush. So they feel really nice and soft, so can't wait to try them and see how they feel. The next product I got in my box is the Camera Unique, maybe you don't pronounce the A, lashes. So these are false lashes, and they are, let's see, $25 retail value. And I got the Appeal Adhesive Liquid Liner in Jet Black. So this will go with the lashes. Interesting. I'm looking forward to it. I don't use false lashes, but sometimes, I'll put some on when I have an event, but hardly ever. But I'm curious to see how it works with this liquid eyeliner. So this liner is $29. So that's that. And then the last product that I got in the box is Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette. So this is the Falling For You palette. Interesting packaging. Kind of goes with the fall, I guess, the way they did the design. So this eyeshadow palette is $34.99 and it's a new launch. Oh wow, they're beautiful. So these are the colors. Really fallish colors, really pretty. So today I will do an eye look. I already did my face, all of my face makeup, and I will go ahead and do my eyes to show you guys the product. So let's get started. For the eyeshadow base, I use my Dior Skin Correcting Concealer, and I didn't use an eyeshadow base, that's what I used. So let's go ahead and get started with this. I'm trying to think what I'm gonna do. So I will be using the smaller blending brush, the shorter one. So I'm gonna pick up the orange. I don't know if it's dark, so we're gonna try this one. I'll tap off just in case it's too dark. Oh, not bad. I took off my sweater because I am hot. Ooh, very soft and pigmented. A little bit too glittery for my tasting, but it's so pretty. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of this pink right here. It's like a pinky rosy on top because it's a little too on the gold and I don't really like it. Oh, I like that better. Oh, a lot better. So much better. Yeah. All right, and then we're gonna add some of the, it's called chestnut. It looks brown, but it's like a plum. Yeah, it actually is. It's like an eggplant color. So we're gonna do that here. This purple is so nice. It's so freaking like pretty, like it just smokes out so good. So I added some of it all the way on the bottom, and then I'm going to do the glittery one on the inner corner. But before I do that, I think I'm gonna add some of the gold. Some of that pink. It's very glittery, so I always freak out with glittery colors because I wear contacts, so I have to be very careful not to get it in my eyes. I'm like I said, I'm so sensitive. Like any little thing, I have a little speck of glitter and I can feel it and it bugs the crap out of me. Like majorly bugs me. Like it will not go away, it will stay there, and it would irritate me all day long. I have to remove my contacts. That's how annoying it can be for me. So I really love these purples and yellows and golds and oranges. They just look so good. So we are gonna try the liner and the lashes. All right, so let's try this eyeliner. So it has a nice pointy felt tip. Okay, oh, let's see. Okay, it feels like a regular liquid eyeliner. It goes on really nice. I didn't do a wing because I'm doing it for the lashes. So we are putting on the lashes now. Okay, wish me luck. I haven't put on lashes in a while, so this should be easy because it's, you know, what does it say it is? An adhesive liquid liner. So Let's see. All right, let's check this out. Okay, so far they are sticking, so I'm trying not to get the mirror in front of you guys. Oh my god, I think it does work. Oh, cool. Okay, I don't want to poke my eye out. This is so cool. What do you guys think? My thing about using lashes is that they bug me. I can feel them. As you can see, I'm trying to fix it because I can feel it. I'm trying. It's not as annoying as putting the glue. Oh my god, I like it. Ooh. So that's it. So I was actually happy with the way it was so easy to put on the lashes. I always have a hard time with one eye because I'm a lefty, so I tend to go crooked, or one eye, the lash tends to go more to one side. So this was actually pretty easy for me. It wasn't hard to remove and get back on it. This eye does always give me a hard time, but I actually had a good easy way to, it was easy for me to put it on. The brushes, I really like them. They're very soft. I didn't use these two. I didn't feel like I needed them, but the eyeshadow is really pretty too. I can't wait to try the other colors, the plum colors, really gorgeous colors. Just have to be very careful with those glitters because they can be very glittery for me. But the mattes are gorgeous and they're buttery, so they go on really well. As you guys can see, it did go on really soft and pretty. So everything else, I was actually impressed. I'm happy with the box. So this was my October base box. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. I will be having a giveaway here on my YouTube channel, so stay tuned because I will be announcing that shortly on my Instagram. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being here and be safe. Bye. Love you guys.